Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let's learn how to make these tasty finger licking lemon pepper wings. Like, oh my goodness, these chicken wings are so tasty. So without further ado, let's start with our recipe. So the first step, make sure you've cleaned and pat dry the chicken wings thoroughly. Then we're going to add our spices. I've added ginger and garlic paste, a tablespoon each. Some chili paste, optional if you don't like too much spicy. Garam masala, 1 teaspoon. Italian spices, chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, some sea salt, and lastly drizzle some oil. Then mix the chicken wings very well so that the spices can able to blend in with the wings. Then let the chicken wings to marinate for at least 3 hours or more. The longer you wait, the better the chicken wings will taste. After 3 hours of marination, it's high time to bake our wings. As for me today, I'll be using an air fryer because I want my chickens to be soft inside and outside to be crispy. So for those people who don't have an air fryer or an oven, you can just shallow fry your wings. So place the wings in the air fryer, drizzle a bit of oil and put it into the air fryer and bake it at 190 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. 15 minutes on the other side and 15 minutes on the other side. And after 30 to 35 minutes, it's gonna depend how crispy you want your wings. But for me in total, I used 35 minutes and our wings are ready. Look how crispy they are, and place them in a bowl. And now we're going to do this lemon pepper sauce. So with this lemon butter sauce, I'm going to use a half a lemon so that I can able to get some lemon zest. Then afterwards, I'm going to place a pan on a medium heat, then put enough butter. Let the butter to melt, then add the lemon zest, chili flakes, and squeeze a half a lemon to add an extra amazing taste to this sauce. And cook it for approximately 1 to 2 minutes, and our lemon butter sauce is ready to be drizzled into this crispy chicken wings. So to make these wings incredible delicious, what I did, I added some lemon wedges inside and I drizzled the lemon sauce and nicely cut the wings with the sauce. Oh my goodness, like from a scale to 1 to 10, these wings were the best wings that I've ever made in my life, and you guys have to try out this recipe. And hope you guys have enjoyed this recipe, and if you've enjoyed, please kindly do give the video a big thumbs up, share, and follow me on all my social media platforms. I use Rukia Laltia, and see you next time. Bye bye.